Welcome to the world of architectural accents, established in Atlanta in 1981, a place where you can spend hours wandering through the 30,000 square foot building, once a foremost dairy. Upon entering the building, you will pass garden items on either side of the front doors, and then enter a world that offers you a massive inventory of 17th, 18th, and 19th century architectural antiques, as well as some special reproductions, door and cabinet hardware. Then you're going to discover scores of chandeliers, lanterns, knobs, door knockers, locks, stained glass and sconces, followed by hundreds of period doors and mantelpieces, trumos, mirrors, fireplace accessories and iron gates, balconies and stone items. Specializing mainly in European items, we offer perhaps the most comprehensive selection in America, and we have the experts to help you with any project and our own workshops to restore and complete any task. Architects, designers, film companies, as well as their clients come to see us from across the continent. Maybe you should too.